Welcome to TT Explorer. In this video, we have scoured Amazon to bring you the ultimate guide to the 7 best EDC first aid and medical kits. Whether you are an outdoor enthusiast, a daily commuter, or simply want to be prepared for life's unexpected moments, you'll find the perfect solution here. Don't forget to check out the product links in the description for easy shopping. And now, let's dive into this compact, life-saving kits and find the one that suits your needs. First up, we have the MyMic Mini Standard, a small but mighty first aid kit that's perfect for those on the go. With over 58 first aid items, this kit ensures you are ready to a wide range of emergencies. Its innovative folding page design offers superior organization, allowing you to quickly find the right tool when you need it. Plus, it's customizable so you can tailor it to your specific needs. The MyMic Mini Standard boasts a durable, high-pylon MOLLE panel and color-coded organization, ensuring both functionality and ease of use. Check it out in the video description. Next, we have the DMI First Aid Kit, a versatile 175-piece kit that's incredibly portable. It's the perfect companion for your car, backpack, desk drawer, and more. With a wide range of packages, antiseptic wipes, and essential medic supplies, you'll be prepared for minor emergencies. The compact case is easy to carry, measuring just 6.5 inch by 4.75 inches, making it perfect for everyday use. This kit is a practical addition to your daily life, ensuring you are ready to handle unexpected situations. For a more comprehensive first aid experience, we have the Reno Rescue IFAK Trauma First Aid Kit. This premium kit is packed with equipment sourced from community feedback, ensuring you are well prepared for a variety of scenarios. It covers massive hemorrhage control, circulatory care, respiratory treatment, and bone fracture treatment. With items like a military combat technique, Israeli pressure dressing, and an emergency thermal blanket, this kit is a lifesaver. It's designed for those who need advanced first aid capabilities, and it's perfect for any adventure or emergency situation. Surviveware brings us their comprehensive premium first aid kit with 200 essential items. This kit is designed for those who need quick, clear access to their supplies. It's labeled and organized, ensuring you can find what you need when it matters most. Made from high-quality rip-resistant 600D polyester, it's also water-resistant. Whether you are using it at home or on the road, it's durable and dependable. The removable, mold-compatible straps make it versatile, so it's perfect for your car, home, or any adventure. Designed by adventurers for adventurers, this kit provides peace of mind in the great outdoors. Coleman's Old Pepos Mini First Aid Kit is a compact, 27-piece essential for your car, home, and emergency preparedness. It includes commonly used first aid supplies like latex-free bandages, antibiotic ointment, and antiseptic wipes. You'll also find safety pins, sting relief wipes, and more. The reusable crush-proof metal tin case protects the kit's contents. With an embossed logo for quick identification, it's a handy kit for everyday use. Compact and convenient, this Coleman kit is an excellent addition to your first aid arsenal. The Thrive Travel Essentials Mini First Aid Kit is your ultimate road trip companion. Packed with 66 hospital-grade medical supplies, it's suitable for a wide range of situations. Crafted from durable ripstop nylon and vinyl fabric, it's compact, lightweight, and organized. Suitable for daily use, adventures, and emergencies, it complies with American ANSI and OSHA professional standards. This kit ensures you are ready for life's unexpected mishaps, whether you are on the road or at home. With a 40-year track record of delivering quality, Thrive is a brand you can trust. Last but certainly not least, we have the Reno Rescue Individual Bleeding Control Kit. This trauma kit is a crucial addition to your pre-hospital emergency preparations. It features an upgraded tourniquet with a metal aluminum rod and reinforced plastic buckle for highly effective hemostasis. The soluble hemostatic gauze can quickly stop bleeding, and the kit also includes an Israeli bandage and compressed gauze. With necessary tools like sharp stainless steel scissors, an emergency blanket, and nitrile gloves, this kit has you covered. Find this kit in the video description and ensure you are prepared for severe hemorrhage in emergencies. And there you have it, our top 7 EDC first aid and medical kits. We hope you found the perfect one to suit your needs. Now, we want to hear from you. Leave your feedback in the comments, let us know which kit you like the most and if you found this video helpful. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to TG Explorer for more informative content.